Hi everyone, welcome to my GOA presentation of learning. My name's Fendi. I will be the new associate teacher in the Pringray Lower School. So right now I'm going to talk about what I learned from GOA. Actually, I have learned three things that are very impressive to me. First of all, I learned how to create a welcome page on the Google Classroom because I've never used Google Classroom. I have used many Zoom and Canvas in college and in Columbia Teachers College. I haven't started to use Google Classroom yet, so this is a new experience for me. And second of all, I have learned how to create a balanced online lesson plan for students. And then I have seen the classroom teachers work from the shared work of Pringray colleagues. I was very impressed by how very young children can actually see the same structure of the classroom on the online page. So now I'm going to show you what I learned from each day and what I designed. So on the first day, I designed a welcome page on the Google Classroom, and it was my first time, and I used the banner, classroom banner resource from the GOA Share PowerPoint. And then I recorded a welcome video to introduce myself and the page. So the student can get to know me better, and also my colleagues can get to know me. And second day, I was focusing on my faces and voice to create the video of a science experiment. And I was making a video of step by step how to taste the amylase from the saltine crackers. So this was fun, and I learned how to do things step by step and ask questions in the end to interact with the student. And in the third day, I used one of the platform that my teachers college taught us to use, Padlet, to show that it can be a great resource for exhibition of learning. So I was very focusing on working through the 5 Ws and 1 H, because I think these points are very important for teachers to learn how to create assessments. So this page is one of the example that my college teacher, my college professor created the structure of an outline for us to exhibit our work. So there are part 1, part 2, and part 3. And then there are different instructions for each part. And then I was having the space to talk about the theory, and then I was talking about my own story, and then I was talking about the standard, and then I was connecting all the dots together in the last part. So this is a great link that you can actually explore to learn about how to use Padlet as a platform, and how to actually create assessment for students in a more sophisticated way. And the last day, I was creating a long online lesson plan myself about a family tree, because I will be teaching younger kids in the lower school. So I was focusing on learning goal, pacing, and balance, especially balancing between the text, visual elements, and negative space. So this is a very simple lesson plan that I created. I included a lesson objective in a very simple and clear way. I stated like student will be able to name and count the family members by using the pre-cut family tree and a family picture, that they will be able to learn words of family members and share their family structure. Sorry, it's kind of small for me to read. And then I also included links so you can actually click on it and view it yourself. Padlet is a great online tool that you can actually include all kinds of video, picture, and even a PowerPoint link to this platform. And then I included a song of family members because this lesson was taught bilingually. So I was including a song that was singing in Chinese, and then also having the subscript on the right. And I was also putting up example of how to create a family tree. So this lesson is step by step with the pacing and with words and pictures. But I think for first to second graders, kindergarten to second graders, if they do this lesson, they will need synchronized or parent support. So that they can actually read the instructions and then finding the tool to do so. Okay, so these are the works that I have done during this week, and I was very impressed by seeing other Pingree teachers' work on the shared. So I hope that GOA's platform discussion part will not stop, that I can learn more from teachers' online teaching. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Have a great day.